We start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was within this move, I mentioned we can expect the price to drop, and this is what we get. Anyway, whoever get the trade within this move, they should start to manage. There was no trade setup to look for based on 1 hour chart, unless anyone get the trade based on lower time frame or based on their own strategy. And even if we refer to our analysis, I mentioned having entry below this, it can be an option, but it's not really a good idea. That means if anyone get the trade from here by having an entry below this, they shouldn't be in the trade. They should take out the trade. As we can see, almost 3 hours, the price is not moving. Okay. Anyway, as what we expected, the price drop, and right now we can refer to the indicators. We see the divergence. That means if we get any reversal from now, we can look for trade for buy. As a sharp move flag, we take the trade. But if the price start to reverse as a corrective move, we just let it go because the price haven't break the this low, which is, if I put my line here, that's mean haven't broke the 1.1.51. Okay, because if you look at this structure, we have this is the first move. If you put this one as a correction, the price dropped, but it broke the lowest price of this move, but it haven't broke the previous one. Okay, in this case, we move to higher time frame. We want to see how we can look at the chart. First of all, we mentioned we want to see whether we can put this one as a correction in relative to this for buy or not. That means we have to get the reversal. If not, how about if this one turned to a deeper move? Okay, we are not going to look for sell right now, because if we move to forward chart, if we put this one as a correction, this is the first, this is a corrective move, and this is the last. We cannot call it really good corrective move, because the best things, if the price could, this part, the price could break the previous one. Okay, but anyway, as we can see, the price drop, and as what we expected. Right now, selling is not really good idea unless we see the continuation and next opportunity for sale, we take the trade. But right now, what I'm looking for, as we can see, the price almost tag, but no one see. If we get the reversal, we can look for buy. Okay, in this case, the first things, how deep it can go. If the price can break the previous low, which is around 1.514, if there is a continuation, then we can expect the price to drop to 1.3. That's why I mentioned if he wants to look for sell, if we see the current continuation with the breakout of this low, then if we get any opportunity for sell, maybe from there we can look for. But right now, what I'm looking for, if I get any reversal for buy, I will take it, and they will do the breakout of 1.7. I will start to manage. Right now, I want to see whether we can look for buy from here or not. Okay, in this case, if the price reverses as a corrective move, we are not going to take the trade. We need to see the continued reversal as a short move flag, we take the trade. Okay, and the only thing is, if we get any trade for buy, we will take it, and with the breakout of 1.7, we start to manage it. Rather than that, we don't have anything else to discuss. Okay, as I mentioned, if this one turns to a corrective move, we just let it go. Whether to look for sell or not, if we get a correction, then from there we can discuss. Okay, because if the price reverses a corrective move, we are not going to look for buy. Mostly it can give us a continuation, because as we mentioned, still we can expect the price to continue. All right, anyway, we don't have any trade set up either for buy or sell. All it depends on what we get here. Mostly if we get the reversal, since we can rely on the divergence, then we will take the trade. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share, and whoever get the trade for sell within this range, if they want to keep the trade, the best thing is move their stop loss to break even. Thanks.